We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The film Their Other Home, 漂洋过海的家, follows the experience of Asian women married into Hakka communities in Mainong. Specifically, it deals with a group of women who establish a self-help group to learn the language and culture of their husbands. By 2003, the group became the basis for the first National Foreign Wives Association, linking up with similar associations across Taiwan. These women come from different countries, speak different languages, and own different cultures, but unite in trying to assimilate and understand their new country. Their perseverance, mutual support, and humor help them overcome to forge a new identity, while changing the perception of foreign wives in the community. It's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. Ngai Hey Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
You know, Alice, I have a question, and people always say that how come you only know about girls and you only pay attention to girls? And that's not true. I need to defend myself here. 因为我会知道怎么讲说女孩子啊 same way 对不对？然后 same way 俺讲，可是有人就问到我了 How do you describe guys? Girls is same way, which is girls 俺讲 which means pretty, but guys
我们有两种说法，可以说 say来
，say 来，that's guys 男生，
或者是下狗哎，
下狗哎，
我们通常给他叫小阿哥。
哦，我又以为你又在骂人了啊！什么狗、猫、鸟类的东西出现了这样子，原来是这样讲男生。
下狗。
Okay, so there are two ways to say guy, okay, which is say 来 or
下狗。
下狗。And let's use some adjectives to describe this guy. Maybe he's handsome, 很英俊。
两位下狗哎，懂眼道。
两位那位是不是？
这位
啊，这位
下狗哎，
下狗 this guy
懂眼道。
懂眼道 that means he looks handsome. 懂眼道，讲眼道做讲嘛哈。还有再来a gentleman 很斯文。
两位下狗哎，懂斯文。
两位下狗哎，懂斯文。这个就跟国语比较像了。OK， 一个是跟台语比较像，一个跟国语比较像。来，两个字，英俊。
眼道
handsome 斯文 gentleman. And to describe a guy, it's either 塞来下狗。Oh, so there you have it. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. And now I can describe both guys and girls. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.